Today we're going to be making an activity space in Google Earth. So open Google Earth, and probably the easiest way to do it is through the matrix over here. Or you can type in Google Earth into the search bar. Okay, now once it loads, click on Projects, and we're going to do New Project. And let's create it in Google Drive. Name your project. Okay. Now we're going to make a new feature, but first let's recenter our map. This is not where I want to be, so I need to go all the way across the ocean and zoom in to my city and try to locate your own house first of all. Now if you don't want to use your house, you can do something like this. You can add a place mark to like a park. So I don't want to show anyone where I live, so let's just call this my home. Now with this place mark, you can go back and you can edit it. We can make it a different style or a different color. So I want to see more icons, and let's do house. And okay, so now my marker is blue and it has a house on it. I want to make it a little bit bigger so I can see it better. You can also do things like you can add a picture if you want. You can add a description. You can add an info box. You can tilt it, but I'm just going to leave it how it is right now, and I'm going to go back. Now I want to add another point on my map. So I'm going to go over to my favorite restaurant, which I'm thinking is right about here. So again, you'll go New Feature, Add Place Mark, click, title it, and click Save. Again, we can go back, we can edit this place mark, find a good marker for it, that's what I was looking for. Okay, now go back. Now notice, oh, there it is. So sometimes the icons don't show up and you have to either zoom out or exit out a little bit. We can make that bigger if we want to. We can add a picture. The next thing I want to add is my school. So let's just find your school, add a place mark. And do the same thing. You can edit the place mark. We can find a school icon. And we're done. Okay, so add a couple points. Add where your daily routine is. Then the next thing we can do is we can add a line or a shape. So I'm going to outline what I just put on my map. And this one, again, we can edit. So the first box here is the outline color. I kind of like yellow. And then maybe we can do a fill color of a lighter yellow. Right here, this is the opacity, or that is how much you can see through the shape. As you can see, when it's 100%, you cannot see through it. But as you go to a lower number, we can see more of the features below that. Okay, have fun and see if you can make your own activity space.